In this recording, I'm going to show you how you can use Skype for Business to present slides from your desktop and to record the meeting. So first I'm going to set up my slides. These are Google Slides, and I'm just going to set it up so the tab is on top. Next I'm going to open up my Skype for Business meeting. I'm going to do a search for Stony Brook Skype for Business. And then click on Create a Web Meeting to get to the web scheduler where it has links to all my meeting rooms. To get to my meeting rooms, I can click on the back button and then find my meeting room and then click on the link to enter. Open with Skype for Business. I'll close the Skype for Business contacts window and then drag over the meeting room window which opened up in another monitor. And I'm going to remove these tabs since I don't need them anymore. I can always find the meeting room by clicking on the icon in the taskbar. I'm going to close the participants and the conversation, and then now I'm in the meeting room. The first thing I'm going to do is start my recording by clicking on the three dots, Start Recording. Next I'm going to present my desktop, choose the middle screen that I know has my slides on it, and then I'm going to minimize the Skype for Business window. Now I can present my slides and go through them just like I normally would. When I'm finished, I'm going to go back to the Skype for Business meeting room and then stop my recording and then exit out of the meeting room. I'll close some windows so I can show you something else. My recordings will be on my computer. To find them, go to Start and then search for Skype for Business Recording Manager. And you can see here that I have a few recordings. One is pending and one is just getting started. To find all of your recordings, they're in the location under Videos, Link Recordings. So let's get there. I'm going to click on my folder, go to Videos, and I can find all my recordings when they're done and complete in this folder. These videos are MP4 videos that you can upload to YouTube or put in Google Drive. And that's how easy it is to record a meeting or create your own on-demand training.